Now, why don't we start at the beginning?
Okay. Awoo. It all started when Smirkles came along. Awoo.
And who, may I ask, is Smirkles?
She's only the cutest little merpuppy ever. Awoo.
Yes, she looks adorable.
But she doesn't like me. Awoo. I try to play with her, but she's not having any of it. I try giving her treats and all. Awoo.
I see.
And nobody wants to play with me. It feels a little bit lonely to be me. Awoo.
That sounds hard, but I wonder, how do you feel when you're somewhere new?
A bit strange, I suppose. If it's for the first time. Awoo.
Well, maybe Smirkles feels the same. She doesn't know this place, and she doesn't know you. Yet.
Well, that could be true. Awoo.
It takes a little bit of time to get used to things. And this little pup might come to you when you least expect it.
Oh, I wasn't expecting that. Awoo.
You'll be surprised what can happen with a bit of space and a bit of patience.
So, I wasn't giving Smirkles enough space. Thank you for that, Doodle Girl. I think I have a new friend.
And I think Smirkles has found one too. I think my work here is done.